guys, welcome back to this week's new video. Thank you guys for watching and for sticking with us. These vlogs are getting better and better, right?
We are slowly improving.
Enjoy the video and we'll catch you at the end. We're kayaking down the river today and I immediately fell in the water as I was trying to get my kayak in. Spencer didn't tell me it was a drop off and I immediately fell in. But yeah, got new water shoes today too. Kind of excited about them. Spencer did too, but you can't see his. He also needs to take that tag off his kayak. Hey guys, me and Spencer are at this like outlet mall that's kind of by us. Every store I go into, I start hacking like I have a hairball or whatever you'd like to call it, and me and Spencer have to leave because we get dirty looks. I've gone to 3 stores so far though, and I haven't started coughing.
It's just the stores that we actually want to look at.
Okay, Papa. What do we do when Spencer has a late night craving? We go get Taco Bell at almost 10 o'clock at night. But he feeds me too, so we're okay with that. We're disc golfing for the first time in like weeks. Spencer has picked it up almost exactly again, even though he's acting like he hasn't. He has. But me and Mom are kind of struggling and lagging a little bit. But yeah, we're disc golfing. Spencer's kayaking away from me, but we're kayaking on a lake for the first time, which is kind of exciting. The water's a lot stiller than the river was that we did Wednesday, but it's nice and relaxing.
Hey guys, so we're actually about to go underwater with the GoPro right now, first time. A little nervous that it might break. Let's see. Some of that seaweed is just so eerie to me. Like you can just, let me get my breath back. You can just see, and then for however tall or long the seaweed is, you just can't see, and it's creepy. But I'm gonna go put the GoPro down, probably make a few laps, see if I can't find anything. Yeah. So I will catch back up with you guys in the next snippet of our video.
We're at Frankenmuth waiting for the fireworks to start. Story time. Spencer got this bubble tea, or what he thought was gonna be bubble tea, but it was actually boba. How did you think of it? He thought it was disgusting, so I got it. It was boba and they were like gummy. It was kind of gross after a while, but it was good to begin with to me. And then we all played this like Gartic phone, is that what it's called? And it was really fun because you got to like draw each other's sayings and stuff.
Bubble tea is so much better.
I do have to agree. But yeah, we're waiting for the fireworks to start. We'll show you guys when those do start. Oh, well that was unproblematic. You guys can't see me, so I do apologize, but some random guy just kicked us out of our spot. Well, that was Spencer, but the fireworks are over and there's like bumper to bumper traffic. So we just sit here and wait for the traffic to be done. And then this random ow!
Why'd you just headbutt me?
And this random guy just kicked us out of our spot, and now he's throwing off his own fireworks, and we're kind of scared that we're gonna get hit. Well, Spencer's not, but I am. low-key thought this was going to be a little more exciting. Oh gosh. Okay, they got bigger. Me and Nate are a little scared, so we're hiding under the tree. Oh, they're still in the blanket.
I'm so scared. Oh, I'm trying not to first. Oh my goodness.
They're kind of cool though. Not
No,
gonna
they're
lie.
not.
Nate's kind of scared of the fireworks.
I am. Yeah.
So I came out here in the parking lot with him.
Oh man.
There's one.
We're waiting for the next firework, and here it is.
Ah! That was a good one.
All right, y'all. It's probably about 12 now.
Nope.
We waited till
11:47.
almost everybody was gone, and it is 11:47. My bad. But
13 minutes to 4th of July.
Haley was being a little bit
I
of
wasn't being a baby.
she was being a little bit
I
of a
held on to
baby.
Nate twice. That is it.
You know me.
He held on to me the whole time.
I did.
I was laying right under him, but Haley over there. I mean, you know.
Hey guys, me and Spencer are at this 5-star restaurant here today. I got a steak with some yum yum sauce and Baja Blast, and there's the chef over there. He also got a steak. The best cook ever. If I record it, it seems less intimidating. So I'm editing this week's vlog, and I realized that I didn't record something to tell you guys what I'm actually doing in these next clips, but I had gotten tickets for the Van Gogh Detroit exhibit. My gosh. And I'm basically just the next clips are just going to be the whole exhibit, videos of it. I don't really talk. Stop. I don't really talk through any of them, but you guys can see how cool this thing is.
Hey y'all, we're actually out on the lake right now. We were out kayaking. But I am actually selling my bike. I'm looking for something bigger, and I got a few messages about my bike, but nothing really interested me. So I've been looking, and I messaged a couple guys today. Nobody got back with me, so that's kind of unfortunate. But I'm just kind of sitting here trying to stay positive. I was meditating a little bit, trying to just get my mind right, you know, hanging out, feeling the vibes, listening to music. But we'll touch back in with you here soon. All right, Haley's first pass on my tattoo and her first giving tattoo. She is totally licensed. So don't be
For
like...
legal reasons,
yeah.
I am legally allowed to do
Yeah,
this.
100%.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
We're going to go over it again next week or 2 weeks from now, but here's the first session. We're all waiting for Miles to turn the lights off. Oh, he's
Shout
getting
out to
ready.
Miles for free bowling.
Oh, yep, always shout out to Miles for free bowling. Oh, this table's gonna start glowing. 12 minutes later, I finally got my strike. Spencer's playing a game right now, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below new ideas of what we can do. I hope you guys liked the video, and we will see you in 2 weeks.